Hello folks, in today's video, we will see what the quality and distribution of the data floated in the polls is. This data has been uploaded. We will also go through the transformed data. Look here, you'll see a bit of density, which means there's 70% empty space here. How will we improve the quality of all this data? You go here, if you look, it's showing a bit of rate. That's an error. There's a 5% error happening, due to which it's not able to judge what's seen. So how do we see this in a visual representation? There's a tool called view. You go to this view here. You need to click on column quality. See here, all the columns have opened up a new tool showing how much percent of the data is valid, how much error there is, and so on. Look here, there is an error in the CST value here. This means that there will be some data in text here, and we have kept converting it into numbers. So in the same way, now we will convert this data into quality. Like if you right click here, an option will appear, remove. Empty the remove object, remove error. We will remove error, anything. Our data now is 100% error free. The error data has been removed. Even now, it shows in the first column ID that there is an empty 4% column. So we should click here to remove the empty. Look, this too has become completely filled. The column with empty has been removed. There are some empty columns here too. So we will remove the empty ones here. So in this way, you see there's no problem in any of the columns now. Yes, here 4% are empty. We also give a demo for that. So what we currently have is a limo that's empty. The data we have now is 100% valid. And from this 100% valid data, we can extract some valid insights. Now this data is 100% valid. Now we will look at the column profile. Before we look at the column profile, let's first check out the column distribution. See, here's the column distribution, and it opens right below. The following distribution has 10 distinct types of values. Now, if we have to look into this in detail, you see in all the calls, this has opened up with free distinguishing mode present. The SLA for Virin, Pilo, and possibly Abo has different values, where you'll see if there is a value that is the highest, you should look into it in detail. So suppose you click here and view the column profile, or look here, you'll see the call centers have the highest. The call center has data for a total of 70 taps. There is a count in it. If you see the call center here, you will click on 32% here. In the 32% count, 23. The call center is in the chatbot is 22 to 31%. That's the calculation. Suppose you need to look at this column in the same way. Just click here below simply. This is opening up. These are names of different cities. Different, meaning divided among 28 cities in percentages. We will do it here with a tab of 9 to 12%. So in this way, you can also see how much percent in which value is divided where. So this is how you need to check the data quality, what its profile looks like, its distribution. That's how it is done. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.